Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Fernanda from Make Money Online. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please click subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. So guys, yung pag-uusapan natin tungkol po ito sa business opportunity all over the world, worldwide. So ito po yung SFI or Strong Future International Marketing Group. So before tayo mag-proceed dito guys, kung hindi pa kayo member this company as an affiliate member, so kindly sign up this link. Oh, by the way, I will be putting my affiliate link inside my description. So kindly click of that link and you will be automatically this main page. So ito po yung grow a second income with the world's #1 affiliate program now in our 25th year. So kindly read this one, scroll up to below. So kindly join SFI now free here. So SFI means Strong Future International. So ayan po guys, kindly what is this? Sign up this or fill up this form, your first name, last name, country, password, and email address, and then get started earning money with EasyFi now. Kindly click this one. So after that, you will be open your email address and you will be confirming of that registration. So after punta tayo dito sa welcome, let's get started. So welcome to EasyFi exclusive affiliate getting started program Launchpad. So by the way, kung member na kayo at nakalagin na kayo sa sfimg.com, so kayo makikita ninyo yung dashboard ninyo at kindly search this Launchpad. So we're excited about your decision to join the Strong Future International team. We look forward to building something great together. So Launchpad provides you with the training you need to create your own wealth plan and a profitable SFI business. This series of lessons will give you a solid foundation upon which to build your business. So although you're certainly free to jump ahead in this series, if you want, we strongly suggest you read each Launchpad lesson in order your first time through the course. We arrange our Launchpad lessons to take you step by step through the many aspects of the SFI affiliate program. We'll introduce basic concepts and terms and then we'll expand and build on those topics. In this way, you'll gain a growing understanding of all SFI has to offer you while avoiding unnecessary confusion. So tip is to make it easy to review various Launchpad lessons. Be sure to add the main page, main Launchpad. So ito po, natin, i-click yan. So dito po yung Launchpad na yan. So makikita ninyo from this one, so instruction, first, review each of the 18 main chapter lessons first for a great overview of the SFI program. So dito started number 1 up to number 18. So, kindly read this one every day kung member na kayo dito sa SFI. So, ayan po guys. By the way, a simple business strategy. Kindly read this one. And then, this one also, and this is your, here an example of how your SFI gateway works. So, kung member na kayo, meron kayong affiliate link na pwede ninyo i-share sa mga friends ninyo, families, or into social media. So, ito po, go to your SFI gateways list. So, yan po, makikita ninyo yan, yung mga gateway ninyo, yung affiliate link. So, by the way, ika-copy po ninyo, copy and paste your specific gateway link into your online ads, offline flyers, and newsletter, etc. anywhere and everywhere. At pagkatapos, by the way, ito, kung mayroong sa ano niyo sa tripleclicks at sa Kaisify, kung mayroong mag-sign up dyan, so ito po yung example na yan. So every time your PRM is personally referred member, makes a purchase of any of our sites for life, you can earn sales commission on his or her purchases. What more if you personally referred member of PRM decide to become EasyFi affiliates themselves, your potential earning power skyrockets as you tap into even more lucrative income streams. So here's an example. Let's say a potential customer lands on your tripleclicks gateway site, sign ups and becomes your personally referred member. They then purchase an item at tripleclicks.com with $25 commission volume attached. You can then earn a direct commission of $20 or 80% of the commission volume. Plus the remaining is $5 or 20% of the commission volume is deposited in the SFI profit sharing pool, which is distributed to all executive affiliates. So ito po makikita ninyo yung ano po guys dito, yung executive affiliates na yan. So, ayan makikita ninyo kung how much kailangan magiging affiliate o executive affiliate. So, sounds pretty good right now. Let's explore a little further. So, ayan po guys, ito makikita ninyo yung tripleclicks. So, ito po yung mga tripleclicks guys. Makikita ninyo, ito ay, yan po yung, ito po mayroong marketplace o shop. So, makikita ninyo yung shop na yan. So, marami po ito shop. Dito, makikita ninyo yung mga shop na yan. O marketplace. Yung marketplace talaga na kung saan kayo pwede bibili kahit ano dito. Meron dito guys. Ayan, for example, gifts and flowers. So, mayroon po yan. Kung makikita ninyo. So, ito po, bali, SFI and tripleclicks, isa lang yan. Bali, itong tripleclicks, ito ay isang marketplace. May mga ano dito. At the same time, yung SFI, parang nanay na din ito. Parang SFI, nag-ano lang ito with tripleclicks. So, makikita ka sa SFI at kikita ka din sa tripleclicks or may mga commission volume yan. So, by the way guys, kung hindi pa kayo naka member, so kindly member this one. So ito po, dito kayo join free here sa tripleclicks at the same time sa SFI na yan. So by the way, itong dalawang affiliate link ko, tripleclicks and SFI, I will be putting my affiliate link inside the description of this video para po automatic kayo mag-click dyan at automatic kayo na pupunta sa main page ng tripleclicks at the same time sa SFI. So guys, by the way, hanggang dito na lang po itong video ko. Sana magiging interesado kayo dito kasi guys, that is a free registration ito. Ito ay isang affiliate marketing at ito ay lahat po ito worldwide. Basta interesado kayo for the backup source of income o kaya gustong-gusto ninyo na magkaroon ng ganitong negosyo for the lifetime. So kindly click this one, join free here at the same time, ito si sa SFI. So, again and again, until her my video that it is all about my video. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa YouTube channel ko, please click subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the video update. So, thank you for your watching and bye for now.